Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special video for all the beginners out there who are interested in mastering network marketing to make money online. If you're new to the world of network marketing, don't worry. We've got you covered with some helpful tips and tricks to get you started on the right path. The first step in mastering network marketing is to choose a reputable company to work with. Make sure to do your research and find a company that has a good track record, offers quality products or services, and provides a solid compensation plan. Next, it's important to build your network of contacts. Reach out to friends, family, and acquaintances to introduce them to your business opportunity. Attend networking events and use social media to connect with potential customers and team members. In network marketing, it's essential to provide value to your customers and team members. Offer helpful tips, resources, and support to help them succeed in their own businesses. By providing value, you'll build trust and loyalty with your network. Consistency is key in network marketing. Set goals for yourself and work towards them every day. Stay consistent with your marketing efforts, follow up with leads, and continue to grow your network. Success in network marketing doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you can achieve your goals. Finally, don't be afraid to invest in yourself and your business. Attend training events, read books, and learn from successful network marketers. The more you invest in your own personal development, the more successful you'll be in network marketing. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to mastering network marketing. Remember to choose a reputable company, build your network, provide value, stay consistent, and invest in yourself. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to success in network marketing and making money online. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to succeed in network marketing. See you in the next video.